Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using the best evidence you have, the original photo file and any embedded EXIF data. First, run reverse image searches across Google Images, Bing, Yandex, and TinEye. This finds direct reposts or identical avatars. At the same time, extract metadata with a trusted tool to pull camera make, timestamp, and GPS coordinates. These clues speed identification. Once done, save screenshots of search results and EXIF output because you'll use them in the next analysis step. Now you systematically evaluate leads from reverse searches. You compare profile photos, clothing, and background landmarks to eliminate false positives. Pay attention to matching shadows and timestamps. Then, feed any username fragments, nicknames, or partial emails into People Search and OSINT tools like Pipple and Social Searcher, plus each social platform's internal search. Make sure to cross-reference reposts and captions, because a repost often credits the original account. Once you've narrowed candidates, finish by verifying the best candidate before reaching out. You should ask one or two specific, non-sensitive questions or request a matching, recent photo to confirm identity and keep all replies for records. Preserve evidence. Capture full-page screenshots, URLs, timestamps, and EXIF exports. If you hit a dead end, try the troubleshooting tip. Crop the subject tightly, enhance contrast, and rerun searches across different engines and languages. Also attempt metadata recovery tools because some platforms strip EXIF. Make sure to respect privacy and legal limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.